In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change user email in Pipedrive. We'll walk through how to update the email address you use to log in, step by step, so you can keep your account secure and up to date. This is especially useful if you've changed companies, switched email providers, or just want to consolidate your logins under one address. First, make sure you're logged into your Pipedrive account in a web browser. The steps I'm about to show you are for the web app, not the mobile app. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or your initials in a small circle. Go ahead and click that. This opens a small drop-down menu with several options related to your account and settings. From that menu, choose the option labeled Personal Preferences. This is where you control things like your profile details, notifications, and account information. Clicking Personal Preferences will open a new page or panel dedicated to your user settings. On this page, you'll see different sections at the top, organized into tabs. Look for the tab called Account and click it. The Account tab is where Pipedrive stores information tied directly to your user login, including the email address we're about to update. Once you're on the Account tab, look for the Email field. This field shows the email address currently associated with your Pipedrive user. To change it, move your mouse over that email field and find the small pencil icon next to it. The pencil indicates that this field can be edited. Click the pencil icon. The email field will now become editable, allowing you to type in a new address. Carefully enter the new email you want to use for logging into Pipedrive. It's a good idea to double-check for typos here, since this address may be used for login, notifications, and password recovery. After you've typed in the correct new email address, press the Enter key on your keyboard to save the change. In most cases, Pipedrive will update your login email immediately. You may also receive a confirmation email at your new address, so be sure you have access to that inbox and verify it if prompted. And that's it. You've successfully updated your login email in Pipedrive, ensuring your account details stay current and secure.